Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the essential Selenium WebDriver commands that every automation tester should know. Okay, agenda for today's video will cover like navigation commands, web element commands with a practical example. By the end of this video, you will equip to handle various web automation tasks using Selenium WebDriver. So in a previous video, we have discussed all the browser commands like how to use get method to fetch a specified URL. So like that. So in this video, we are going to understand navigation commands. Okay. So in a navigation commands, so here you see like a navigation commands are used to navigate through the web pages. Okay. For navigating to the web pages, like for doing a forward, for doing a backward, like for that purpose we will use navigation command. So first method is to URL. If we want to navigate to a specific URL, like similar to the driver.get method, so here there is an example is driver.navigate to. If there is we want to example dot navigate to the specified URL like example.com or www.google.com. For that purpose we'll use navigate dot to method command. Okay. And another one is, so if we want to navigate to the backward, like we want to navigate to the backward page or like previous page, for that purpose we have a one command like navigation method, we can say driver.navigate.back. So for that purpose driver.navigate, inside that back, by using a back method we are able to navigate in a backward direction. Okay. And similar, like if we want to move in a forward direction, for navigation forward to the next page, backward means we are moving from previous page to the previous page, and forward means we are moving to the next page. Okay. For that purpose, so driver dot navigate dot forward. Okay. And another command is there. So if there is a web page and we want to refresh that web page, like if there is any of the URL is there, so we want to refresh that web page, like if there is a match is going on clickbuzz.com. So first it means updated score, we want to fetch the updated score. For that purpose we'll do most of the time the refresh. Okay. For that purpose we have a command driver.navigate.refresh. So by using that, this refresh the current page. Okay. We are able to refresh the current page. Okay. So for doing, for navigation, inside the navigation we have four commands. For first one is driver.navigate.to URL, will navigate to the to URL. For going backward we have a navigate.back command. For moving, going forward direction, going to the next page, we have forward command. And doing a refresh, we have refresh command is there. These are four commands we need to understand for doing, for understanding navigation commands. Okay. Okay. And after that, the web element commands are there. Like if there is a web element, like there is a one web element which are present inside a DOM and forming doing operation on that web element, so we have some web element commands. Okay. So if there is a username or password like web element is there in a script, test script, so what and all operations we have to perform on that web element, so these are web element commands we'll see. Okay. So first command is like web element commands allow interaction with elements on web page. Okay. Correct. Elements on current web page, elements is okay. And so in a web element commands, the first command is click command. Okay, the click commands, if we want to if there is a button is there, so we want to perform some action on that button. For that purpose we'll use click method or click command there. Okay, means we want to perform some clickable action on any of the button. For that purpose we'll use click command. Okay, for that what we have to write for doing operation. So we have to mention the web element, like element is button, driver dot find element, and by dot id. If the button has some specified id, so we have to mention the id. If not, then we'll go class name, okay, or xpath on the basis of that. And then after that will then button dot click will perform the action like click operation. Okay, will perform the click operation here. Okay, correct. And then okay, if we want to fetches the value of specified attribute of the web elements, so we want some value of specified attributes of the web elements, so we have another method like getAttribute method. By using this method we can able to get the attribute of that specified, means that if there is a web element, the button is there, login button is there, we want the that what uh, the attribute is present on that login button. So for that purpose, by using string attribute value equal to element of that, we have to mention the element dot get attribute, the attribute name like login is there, so we'll mention the login attribute. And after that in the SOP we can print this attribute as well in a console. Okay, so by using getAttribute method, we are able to fetch the value of specified attributes of other variable. If the login button is there, so we are in a console will get login. Okay, okay. And third method is that third command is there, getTagName. Okay, so this retrieves the tag name of the web element. If the web element is there, tag name, if username is there and inside the specified username contains some tag is there. Okay, some assigned some tag is there for that web element. For that purpose, for means for retrieving the tag name of the web element, we'll use get tag name method or get tag name command, string tag name element dot get tag name. So and if we use the SOP, so we can print in a console. Okay, so third important method is get tag name. Okay, and if we want to like we want to display the gets the visible text of the web element, we want to if there is a field is there, so inside that field we have some we have entered some value, and we want the text of that visible text of that web element. For that purpose we'll use get text method. Okay, string text is equal to element dot get text, and by using SOP we can print in a console. Okay, and after that the clear is method, the clear method is there. So by using a clear, if there is a that icon is there, another guy that click already clicked there, so we can able to click, by using a clear we are able to clear the. Okay, and if there is a text field is there, anyone entered some value there, means sometimes the some username password values another users already stored there, so we want to clear like the values in it. So for that purpose we have like a clear method is there, clear command is there. By using that, web element input field driver.find element by input field. So where we can that any of the field is there, by using this command we are able to clear that. Okay. And another one is get location. So by using this we are able to fetch the location of the web element on the page, like position of the web element, like by using like every elements have some x y axes. So on the basis of that the element is present in where, or like in inside a DOM. So these things we are able by using this method we are able to get. Okay. And another most important method is that sendKeys method. Is that if we want to pass some arguments, like we want to pass some values on any of the text field or any of the like a drop down, for that purpose we'll use sendKeys method. So by using this method, if we want to pass some username, password or like that, so for that purpose it is a most useful and widely used in a, like for doing a, for writing a test scripts in it. Okay. These are above, like first one, like send keys method, like okay. Web element commands, which are mostly web element commands, are first one is click, second one is get attribute, get the third one is get tag name, fourth one is get text, fifth one is clear, sixth one is get location. And by using get location we are able to fetch the position of that web element. Send keys, if we want to send us some values like username, password or in it, for that purpose we'll use a send keys. And for get text means we want to get the visible text of that web element, for that purpose we use get text method. Okay. Get attribute, same we want the value of the specified attribute of the web element, for that purpose we'll use get attribute method, like this. Okay. So we have covered the fundamental of the Selenium WebDriver commands, like that. In a previous video we have covered browser commands. This video we have covered navigation commands and web element commands, and these are the backbone of the, if we are performing website text web-based application testing. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay. Thanks for watching and happy testing. Yeah.